Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Ray-Ban Clubmaster. This is the black color. So let's go ahead and check it out. So it seems like it's packed in like a styrofoam. As you can see, it got crushed on the side during the delivery. So we'll see. Hopefully nothing get damaged. I don't know why they pack it like this. It's so hard to open. Ugh. Oh my god. The heck? Wow, look at that. What kind of packaging. I'm not sure what kind of packaging this, but pretty good. Prevent from damaging it. Move that out of the way. So here is the Ray-Ban sunglasses. Got the 360 view. Let's go ahead and pop this open. So I got this bubble wrap, so it prevents from getting scratch on this button on the case. Got this Luxottica cleaning cloth, carbon fiber, microfiber. The icons. Got the aviator, shooter glasses, outdoorsman, Wayfair, Caravan. Olympian. That's what I wear. Olympian 1. I used to sell Ray-Ban in Barorama. Clubmaster. This is the Clubmaster. Predator. G-15 lens. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out these glasses. So this is a G-15 lens. You got the RB, which is stand for Ray-Ban, engraved right there. You get your Ray-Ban. Made in Italy. And then you got your Ray-Ban on the nose piece. So that's 3016, the Clubmaster model number. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the videos. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification and drop any comments on below. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out and happy Friday.